Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a princess in a blue dress. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Start by drawing the princess's face with a half circle. Next, draw her eyes and mouth. Then draw her body. There are lots of little details, so take your time. Now, draw her long beautiful dress. Let's move to the head. Start by drawing the front part of her hair. Then, draw the rest of her hair. Add a few lines to give her hair more detail. Finally, draw a small crown on top of her head. Great! Our sketch is ready to color. Shall we start? Begin by using pink to color her cheeks. Then, use light yellow to color her skin. Color her dress with blue. Next, color her hair orange. Finally, color her crown pink. Wow! All done! Our princess looks so cute, doesn't she? Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!